Hello everybody, my name is Mehroz and today I'm going to bring you to a new place. And this time, it's not any fun place, but today I'm going to tell you a video about the airport. I showed you that Air France, we're coming back and now we're going to board our plane. So we're going to the airplane where we belong. So I'm just gonna show you a little bit of what's around. More regular lounges around me, Qatar Airline transfer desks. We're going to Dubai on Turkish Airlines. And right now, I'm gonna show you our VIP lounge called Air France. It's one of the best launches which you could find in this airport because it's VIP. So now I'm just going to show you this airport and all of the souvenir shops over here also. Though all of these which you see over here, they're all regular launches. So they're just seats and everything. But the VIP launches, I'm going to show you, they're going to be the best. Now we're going to go from the boarding. I already showed you everything in this VIP lounge. So once we reach downstairs, we're gonna board the airplane. Now we're upstairs, guys, and right now we're taking Turkish Airlines, but this is the Air France lounge. I'm gonna take you a tour inside. Over here, there's just a few of some chairs. There's a giant airplane over here, and that's the restaurant. Teacups, coffees, and sugar, everything. There's a TV over there. This is sofas, 2 tables. This is where you get all of your food. There's just a lot of chairs, and yeah, it's a VIP lounge, so it's way better than the regular lounge, which is downstairs. Now it's time to fly, and I'm very entertained right now. I have my window, so I hope you guys wish me a pretty good trip. About 2 to 3 hours in this airplane. I've been playing games on this screen with my headphones on, and now it's eating time. And they also give us a big gift. So there's a lot of things. First, they give us this handbag where they put everything in. Then inside they even gave us some toothbrush and toothpaste. And they even gave us some slippers, some socks. These are even more headphones, a sleeping mask, and on the other bag they gave us this little wooden figure. And then they even gave us this airplane. And yeah, that's all. They even gave us a bottle of water for drinking and eating. And yeah, that's that's mostly all. So that I'm having a very great time in Turkish Airlines, and I know it's way better than PIA. Finally, just came out from the airplane over there. That's the one we exited. See, there's a tunnel over there. Over here, there was an excavator. We went up it, and now we're over here in the Turkish airport called BTC. Now we came out from the place where you get all of your suitcases, you get your tickets and everything, you checked your bag. You're finally out of that. Now we're on the second floor, I think, and this is how it looks like. It's not like an airport anymore, it's now kind of like a mall. So remember when we went in the Air France lounge in the Quebec airport? Well, this time we're going to another VIP lounge. It's called IGA Pass and it's about 70 meters away from here. Let's just go to that lounge and we're gonna stay there for about 4 to 5 hours because we have to wait for our flight, which is at, I think so, 8:50 or 7:55. So we're gonna stay there for a pretty long time. There's many shops over here. There's many decorations. I just feel like this is literally not a mall. I mean, not an airport. Now we know the way to the IGA lounge, so we're just gonna have to going forward and forward and forward. So we just went past the Lego store and there's 30 minutes and then we're gonna go to the IGA lounge. So now we just finished the IGA lounge. Now it's time for boarding on the plane. So we're about to go in the Turkish Airlines plane. So let's go. Now we're boarding the plane. So this is a tunnel, then we're gonna go inside the plane, sit on our seats, and then the journey begins. So I'm getting very excited to go on this Turkish Airlines airplane. I've heard many reviews about it, and they said it's a very good airplane. So yeah, I'm excited. So now we have boarded in the second plane, which is still Turkish Airlines. The first one, it was pretty different. I mean, they had a more sharper screen and they had more stuff. And it's just a bit different. They have some new seats. They have new screens. They're white this time. They're smaller. And yeah. So I'm getting pretty sleepy. And I'm also next to the window again. And this time we're going straight to Dubai, and it's a 5-hour flight. And remember, this is still Turkish Airlines. Now it's been 5 hours, and we're finally at Dubai, and we're right now landing. And right now it's all dark outside and there's lots of lights too, as you can see. Okay everyone, the lights are on, which means we have connected into the airport. We're gonna get all of our luggage, our jackets and everything. So this time, I'm getting even more excited because Dubai has a very good technology and I'm very excited to see the airport and how Dubai will look like. I'm going to show you the Museum of Future, the Dubai Frame, Dubai Burj Khalifa and many more. So I'm going to take you into the airport after we get all of our luggage. Now we just came out from the airplane and we're in the Dubai airport. So right now we have to reclaim our baggages, and after we have to go to the car store where we're gonna get our new car. We're gonna borrow it, and then we're gonna go and we're gonna go sleep in our hotel. So let's go. This is a very good technology airport, and this is especially the smell. Okay, the smell is very good. And this is kind of like the Turkish airport, not the Canadian. Canadian's pretty different. The Turkish and the Pakistani airport, which I don't think so that you've seen in any of my videos yet, is like that combined. Because the smell is actually kind of the same, the chairs are kind of the same, and the signs are also kind of the same. Now we're at the airport, and we're at the train station because the arrivals are very far away. So this is a shortcut. We just go on the train and then we can go. So we just came out from the train and we went down the excavator, and now we're at the immigration center. And if you're asking what's the immigration center, so an immigration center is like when the people ask where are you from, when did you come, where did your family come, or whatever it is, and they're going to ask you questions and they're going to stamp your passport, and and when we finish that, we're going to get our luggage and we're going to get a red card. Now we had done taking our luggage, and we finally rented our car, and now this is the moment we've been waiting for, our hotel. I'm going to show you the inside, which is pretty good, and even our room is fantastic. So I'm going to give you a tour around this hotel.